Good morning, guys. So today is President's Day. I believe it is the 18th of February, and we're at Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go see what new spring items they have in the store and search for a laundry sign for my mom, because my mom just recently got her laundry room redone and she is looking for one of those rustic farmhouse laundry signs to put in there. So we're gonna go see if we can get her that today, and then check out all the other spring decor that they have coming for the new upcoming season. So I'm super excited. Been looking to come here since about 3 weeks ago when I knew I was going to be off. So let's go in and see what they have. Do you have your Instagram open? Huh?